They're coming to get you, Kirby. He's so gentle with them.
What do you think, Kirby? Huh?
What's he doing, Kirby? Are they ganging up on you, bud?
He's good. Right for his tail.
Boing, 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 boing.
Half the time they hop around like little bunnies.
Like little bunny rabbits. That one with the green bear there.
Luna.
Kirby, you got your paws full over there, don't you?
I'll say he does. He's Trooper from behind.
Luna flopped over.
Yeah. Look at me, look what I can do. I can flop over.
Oh my god. There. Somebody using reverse again. There we go. Dump, 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 dump.
Luna's chewing on his tail.
Now she's licking his butt. She's going to start gagging in a second because she's going to get a mouthful of his hair.
Trooper chewing on the bars trying to make a breakout.
Let me out, let me out, let me out. No, you guys have to stay in there. It's where you're safe.
Yeah.
Don't have to worry about you falling downstairs. Going through the bars on the landing there and have them fall down all those stairs. Oh, that would be wicked.
Oh.
I'm so glad we have this.
Oh yeah, they can't hurt themselves in there.
No.
Yeah, the two of them chewing on the bars.
Here, you work on that side, I'll work on this side. Maybe we'll get it broken open. Luna.
Luna's
Who's the little one here that's facing off with him?
Right here?
Is that Oliver?
It's Oliver.
Oh, can't go no further.
That's mine there. Get your brother. Go get him.
No, I can't get this to work.
What?
It's not zooming in.
Using a little toggle?
Yeah.
Is it filming at all?
Yeah.
Is it flashing?
Yeah.
It's recording.
I don't know. I can't get the zoom in to work. Alright. Just doesn't want to work for me. Take it off. Go get him. Go get your brother. Go get your brother. Beat him up. Beat him up. Yes, Max, I hear you. She licks his nose. It's funny how he gets right down to their level.
Yeah.
And lets them play.
He's the big brother and they're the little tykes. Some gentle.
Oh, everybody's getting pooped out again.
Yeah, time to crash.
We had a playtime, now we gotta go to sleep again. Luna, what are you doing?
She's usually the last one to crash out.
Yeah.
No, Kirby's pulling on it now. Damn tug of war?
Oh, that's too cute.
Yeah.
He wants to play tug of war with Luna.
Yeah.
She says, this is how you do it, Kirby.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You're funny. Luna said that was just rude.
Yeah, you took that. That was
I
rude.
like to hear it bark there.
Hi, Kirby. What are you doing? Are you playing with the baby? Huh? Are you playing with the baby?
Yeah, but no, yeah.
Are you playing with Luna? Yeah, well, you know how to get out. You get out the other side.
Jump on the stool.
Jump up on the stool. There you go.
They're gonna go to sleep.
Yeah.
Go to the belly bench.
She's not done playing yet.
She's fluffing.
She's not done playing yet.
There she goes.
Yeah.
There she goes.
Okay, time to crash.
That's it.
Nighty night.
Oh,